Hi everyone. In this class, we'll start with binomial expansion, which is the HL part of binomial expansion for your AHL syllabus. So first, let's say I've got something like 1 plus 2x raised to 4. I know how to expand this using the normal binomial expansion formula. But now instead of 4, let's say I've got half. So if my power now is a fraction or a rational number, then let's say I've got something like 1 plus b raised to n. Then the expansion of this becomes 1 plus nb plus n minus 1 upon 2 factorial b square plus n minus 1 n minus 2 upon 3 factorial b cube. And then my next term will be n minus 1 n minus 2, then n minus 3 b raised to 4 upon 4 factorial, and it continues like that. So let's say I've got 1 plus 2x raised to half, and I want to expand this, then my b is replaced by 2x and my n is replaced by half. So it becomes 1 plus half raised to 2x plus half half minus 1 upon 2 factorial into 2x the whole square upon half half minus 1 half minus 2 upon 3 factorial 2x the whole thing raised to 3. Now I'll just simplify this. So I get 1 plus x plus this becomes half minus half into 4x square upon 2. So that gives me minus 1 upon 2 x square plus over here I get half into minus half into minus 3 by 2 into 8x cube upon 6. So these two cancel out with 8 and 3 2s are 6. And then the minus signs also cancel out. So I'm left with x cube upon 2. And then this continues like this and so on. So it just simplifies to 1 plus x minus half x square plus x cube upon 2. Okay. Now, let's say they gave us something like 2 minus 3x square root of this. Let's say cube root of this. And they are asking us to expand this binomially. Now, for this formula to work, it should always be 1 plus something. Over here, I've got 2. So, first, I'll factor out 2 from my equation. When I do that, I get 2 times 1 minus 3 upon 2x, cube root of this entire term. So, can I write this as cube root of 2 into 1 minus 3 upon 2x raised to raised to 1 upon 3. Now, I'm going to expand this term over here. So 1 minus 3 upon 2x raised to 1 upon 3, which can be done using the above formula. And then whatever value I get, I'll multiply all the terms with cube root of 3. Cube root of 2. That will give me the expansion of cube root of 2 minus 3x.